You know your other hands need to be on the other bar. Not the same bar, not the same bar. Okay, nobody's in there now. See, you guys can do it after that. Oh, yeah, go back it again. Oh, there you go. Nobody's in there. Ready. Ready. No, one hand to be on the other side. Huh? So you can go farther. Yeah, you can go on the other side and do a volleyball. Guys, go on the other side and do a volleyball. Remember, go practice and then there you go. Gracie, show to Julene how you do it. Jade, what you doing? Go with this one. You want to fight there, Jade? Oh. Don't fall, Grace is there.
One at a time.
Okay, you have to do skip. Okay, can you try your plan then? If you try your plan, see how long you can go. Try your plan. The one, if you don't want to skip, then try it.
The what?
You said you don't want to skip, then try it again. See if it works. What happened? You lost it, Jade? Can you put it in your pocket? Do you want me to hold it? Aren't they gonna ask you for it? Oh, okay. So we'll see Julene. Yeah, I have it. Okay, you guys can fight that one. Nice. Nice. Good job. Nice.